Nakuru is a city on the move. From estates to the CBD, the skyline is changing. And with every new project, a new chapter is written in the story of our growth. Today, we are in section 58, home to one of the newest high-rise apartment blocks and a project that shows just how far Nakuru has come. For the longest time, there's been a narrative Nakuru can't build tall, that this city's development is limited to just a few floors. But that story is quickly changing. Developers here are now daring to go vertical. Look at the mega Great Rift Mall in the CBD, already on its 18th floor and still rising. Or the King Summit Apartments in Milimani, now climbing past the third floor on its way to 14. This is the new face of Nakuru, building higher, building modern. And right here in section 58, we have yet another example. This 9-story apartment block recently completed is proof that mid-rises and high-rises are now part of our landscape. And what makes it stand out is not just its height, but the stunning finishing work on the exterior done by Eisen Paints. From the clean lines to the elegant colors, Eisen Paints have brought this building to life. They are the team developers trust for quality that lasts. And if you're looking for professional painting solutions, you can find Eisen Paints right here in industrial area, Nakuru. Step inside and you'll notice the same attention to detail, neat finishes, carefully applied paintwork, and a standard that matches the vision of the developers. It's one thing to build high, it's another thing to build well. And this project shows both. Folks, this is what you call neat finishing. Let me show you around. So I'm at an apartment here at section 58, and it's a 3-bedroom apartment. And let's just get straight to the points. Now, you're looking at the walls. We start with the walls here. Look at how beautiful they are. Just to let you know, the walls here, the paint on these walls was supplied and applied by Eisen Paints. Eisen Paints, they are paint manufacturers based right here in the city of Nakuru. And they are the one who did the beautiful work you are seeing on the walls. Now, looking at the tiles, given the massive, space, in the rooms here, the spaciousness of the rooms, they went with the 40 by 60 tiles, okay? When a space is this massive, if you go with those small tiles, it becomes too busy. But when you put the big tiles, then you achieve a neat, elegant look. So this is the kitchen on this end, right here. There you have it. And then, of course, somewhere here, one will do their dining area. And then, of course, you have a kitchen pantry right there. And there's another door right there that leads you to the outside. So come. Let me show you. We are talking about neat finishing. Now, look at the massive door, right there. Those French doors from roof to ceiling. Roof to floor. Okay, those ones right there. Then coming this side, no need for a door here. Okay, no need for a door at all. So we come like this. That is the common washroom. There it is. And then, of course, it is a 3-bedroom, like I told you guys. So on this end, I just entered the guest bedroom. Okay, so this one is not en suite. But then the other 2 bedrooms are all en suite. But just look at the paint on the wall, guys. Uniform paint. Okay? Kindly, Nakuru, let us avoid that business of painting this wall purple, that one pink, that one this color. No, uniform tiles, uniform paint, everything is just where it's supposed to be, including these are power sockets right here and the beautiful switches, modern switches, as you're looking at. So I just entered an ensuite bedroom. So there you have it, the shower on the far end, the toilet seat. Look at the beautiful tiles again. Okay, look at those tiles. Beautiful, even the wall tiles in the bathroom. All of them beautiful. So this is an ensuite bedroom. Well, it comes with ample wardrobes. Okay, there you have it. Look at that. Even the arrangement. Let me just open this one for you guys. Even the arrangement right there. So, yep, that's how we are looking. I know you guys are going to ask so many questions. Are they for sale? Are they for what? They're not for sale. These guys built for themselves. So they're not for sale. I just had a chance to come in here thanks to Eisen Paints, who have applied the paintwork, who did the paint job in this apartment. Eisen Paints. If you want your apartment to look elegant, well, Eisen Paints is the color that calls, is the brand that calls you. All right, so here I am again in another ensuite bedroom, looking outside, beautiful views right there. Don't show them too much. They'll come and start, folks, they'll start marking the landmarks and then they try to spot where this apartment is. So yeah, folks, you will pardon me, guys, okay? So yeah, I just wanted you guys to pay attention to the finishing, to the neat paint job, to the beautiful tiles, to the space itself, functionality of every area, the practicality of it, this massive balcony on this end, and also the arrangement of the home, typically the layout. I wanted you guys to pay attention to that. Look at even, the lighting, the artificial lights here, really beautiful. Amazing stuff, I'm telling you. This one looks awesome. So here we are, Eisen Paints delivering excellence and Nakuru breaking old myths by building tall. Section 58 is fast becoming one of the prime estates leading this new wave of mid-rise and medium high-rise developments. And this is just the beginning of Nakuru's vertical journey.